So in this video, I'm going to explain you this live volume scanner, how you can use this live volume scanner in your day-to-day trading for short term and also for the long term. So today's 27th September, time is 1:40 p.m. And if I see currently Nifty is trading around 26177. So this is a live market, you can see. So now let's come back to this live volume scanner. So I'll explain you each and every part of this scanner. First, you can see there are columns O, A, B, C, D until M. So what these columns denotes? These columns denotes the particular session in market profile. So for example, A session denotes 9:15 to 9:45 a.m. B session denotes 9:45 to 10:15 and so on. In half an hour interval, it goes till M period. So there is also first column which is O. This particular column represent the opening volume. Opening volume means from 9:15 to 9:20, 5 minutes time period. And on the row side you can see the stock names. So these are the stock names. And here you see another column is last 7-day average volume. So this is last 7-day average volume, and just next to it it's the today's volume. So you see this quantity is in millions. So for last 7-day average volume it is 3 million, and today it's around 3.4 millions, about the same. And this is the time when the this scanner was last scanned. And change percentage, like this is a change percent, how much stock has changed in a day. If I just sort it around the name again, so this is a change percent and this is the current price. So first is that this is clear what these columns represent. Now if you want to sort something, say you want to sort the stock based on the change percent days which has rose the highest or fell the most. So if I sort it, so you can see today BPCL rose to 6.94%. This is the highest stock in FNO, in FNO criteria. BPCL has rose to 7%, and similarly this United SPR has fallen to minus 3.66%. So like this you can sort it. You can sort it based on change percent, you can sort it based on price, okay, and similarly you can sort it based on name. Now the how you can use this particular scanner in your day-to-day trading. So when you come here, just sort it based on the opening column. So when you sort it based on the opening column, you see this is 42.29, this is 29.3, okay, this is 1.62. So what these values represent, understand like this. I will say for granules, last 7 days volume was X, and today's volume is 42 times the X. So this number represent the factor. So if I say granules has been traded 100 quantity in last 7 days, but today it has been traded 4200 quantity in first 5 minutes. Similarly for the A period, you can see if 100 quantity was traded in 9:15 to 9:45 am, today it has been traded as 3700. So this factor is 37 times the average volume of last 7 days. So now when you see this particular data, you know which stocks are in movement today. You come here, you see this data at 9:20 am or 9:25 am, and you see, hey, granules volume has been quite a bit compared to the last 7 days volume. Similarly for the AB apparel, similarly for the Sun Pharma. So if you click these charts here, or you can directly know, okay, which stocks are have good movement. So similarly you can see for United SPR, 22 times the volume was there, and it has fallen to 3.66%. So it is not necessary that volume has increased so stock will rise only. For Godrej CP also you can see it is among the top 5 stocks with the highest opening volume, and it has also fallen. So if I just click on this United SPR chart, so you can see in the in the A period, from O to A period, it has done the good movement, and now it is trading in this range. Similarly, if I open this Godrej CP, so you can see again in the A period it has done the good movement. So when the volume is too large in the opening itself, there are good chances that stock does good movement into the A period, and then it may, you know, just rotate in the A period, and later on it may do some movement. And also for the ABC period also, you can see there has been good rise in the volume compared to the last 7 day session. So you can now compare it how this stock has been doing. Like this stock is in focus because the volume in each session is greater compared to the last 7 days volume. If I click the Sun Pharma chart here, you can see again it has done the movement in A, and now the till I period it is rotating into this particular range only. So if I open the Sun Pharma here, so you can see this was the range initially set up in the A period, and till now it is rotating into this A period. So there are good chances sometimes that market forms a large initial base, large IB, when the volume is too large in the opening. Otherwise, it may have a good movement throughout also. If I click on the ABFRL, again you see all the stock is moving into this AB period, in this IB only. And let's take some more example. Now let's say this LTEIM. So in this, the stock has been moving in the A period also, and now it has broken the IB and it is moving outside the IB. So it is not necessary that stock will be moving in the A period itself, but I just want to say there is a good movement. Good movement can be done in the A period itself, large IB. If IB is too large compared to the average, then there are larger possibility, okay, stock may be moving in that particular range only, and later on at the end of the day it may break it or it may not. And if the IB is not too large, then the stock can have one directional movement, that is it can have a trending day. Okay, if I open Infi here, similarly you can see in Infi it rose to the A period, now it is moving into this A to B period and it has broken the IB now. So this is how you can just use this volume scanner. So in any period, say if I want to see in E period which stock volume was highest, I will just sort it here. And so BPCL is the one stock. So let's see BP. So now in the BPCL, you can see there is a good volume throughout the session, 8 times, 4 times, 6 times, 5 times. Now the volume has increased in H period to 11 times. So see this BPCL. So it is a clear trending day, right? In H period also it rose too much. I period, now it is trading here. So we have the single print in B, C and H period. So here you can just see which stocks are in focus, and if the volume is too low, so if I just see the change percent here, or just opening, I'll sort it. So you can see these stocks, say MFSL, the volume was even lower than the average volume. It was half. 0.5 means it was half. 0.6, it is less than 100. Okay, so you can see there is not good movement also. It is hardly to 0.3% movement is there. So if I use this MFSL here, just see the MFSL chart here. So you can see the movement is very range bound. It is moving into this range only, and the percentage change is hardly 0.34. Similarly for the Manappuram, see the volume is too low for all the periods. So this is how you can combine your trading strategies with the volume scanner. You can come to this scanner directly and you can get lot of information without manually scanning everything. Okay, so red part also denotes the decrease in volume. Green, if you just want to scan it with your naked eyes quickly, green part tells you that increase in volume, and blue part it is neutral, like it is near about 1 only, 1.5, less than 2. So this is how you can just scan it, this scanner. Green is volume is increasing quite a bit, blue is it's constant compared to the last 7 days, and red is volume has decreased. So this depends upon how you use it. You may use it for very unique strategies also, which you can create it, whether you are trading for the short term or whether you are trading for the long term. This could really help you in your trading journey. So thank you for watching this video. I will be coming with more videos. Stay tuned. Please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.